start in the morning. Well, it's not really morning, it's evening time, but we're headed to a meet for an 11-year-old boy who's having a hard time in school. He's having troubles just in life in general, and so his mom reached out to all of us, and there's going to be tons of people coming out to go and support this little boy and show him all these cool and wonderful cars. So keep watching. Let's head over there, and I'll bring you guys along, and we'll see all the incredible cars coming out tonight.
This is a picture we got done of. This is Kylo. This is a picture we like to give to you of Kylo.
Well, that would be so fine.
And even though I don't have short Lego cars, I do have Lego Thank you. Smile over there.
That little boy is Nathan. He's the one that we are here to support, as this beautiful McLaren and R8 just showed up. Are you super excited?
Now push the button. Nope.
Foot on the brake.
Oh, foot on the brake. There you go. Okay, you good? Okay, press the magic button.
Starting the Ferrari.
There you go. Is she on neutral?
It is in neutral. How was that?
I liked it a lot.
So awesome. Was that super?
Yes.
All right.
All right, you hop in. Get that seat all the way forward. See the gas pedal there? Cool. Press the brake. Hit the red button. Have fun. Excellent.
How was that?
How's that?
I like that a lot.
Sweet.
Yeah, no, we're not doing it. He's the only one allowed to run. The little kid's the only one allowed to run. Yep. We gotta make that clear in case.
This would be Norm. Mr. Cormier.
You want to just reverse it?
Look at Matt's new purchase. That's not stock. That's not stock.
And the fog lights. Yeah. They're red, I'll show you. They're red. Oh my god. They're on. That's funny.
Check out this Audi. Damn, that's clean. Those wheels. Fire. That's a sick ride.
You're not Batman. You're not Batman today.
No.
You're
Man,
Superman.
check that out. Holy crap. Listen to this RX-7. It even smells like a old Chevy V8.
What's up, man?
No replacement for displacement. And blowing supercharger. Another Lambo. It's the same one we seen at the Philly Dunk show. So sick. Yes, that is only Nathan revving. He is the only one that has permission to rev. Oh, here's another R8. Mercedes. Look at this. GT3 RS. Sick color.
At least you said it first. It wasn't from us. I did not want to tell you.
As if that's not the sickest thing ever. What a turnout. Got Yolanda.
Alright, so you've been in the McLaren 7.
Danny.
Now you want to be in a stock Freelander.
Justine. Jay. Man, that trunk setup is beautiful. The 240. So sick. What an incredible turnout for Nathan. The Calgary community should be proud of themselves for what they've pulled off tonight.
Oh, jacket time, eh?
This is how you chill like a villain.
Little jacket, eh?
Which way do I do it? This way? This way?
Oh, cool. This guy shows up in
This the right way?
shorts.
You're on video. Shoot. Talking about no replacement for displacement. SS Chevelle. Oh, listen to that. Man, oh man. That is beautiful. Roll cage. What a beast. And like that, the night is over. Nathan, I hope you enjoyed all those amazing cars that come out. You ride in the McLaren, revving all the cars. I know if I was you, I would be super excited. I think it was a pretty awesome night, and big shout out to all of the Calgary community for coming together and supporting such an amazing cause. No kid should ever have to go through the things that he does with bullying and just being put down by so many people. And it's a good life lesson for everybody to treat everybody with kindness and respect. And on that, please like, comment, subscribe,